Okay, so we're going to be trying, okay, not like trying, we're going to be creating a virtual machine for Windows 11 on Proxmox. So here you come to create VM, create virtual machine, then I've uploaded my ISO already. So for uploading of ISO files, so if you tap on your, so I have my data center, then okay, because most time when you open your Proxmox, you will see just data center there. So after you've opened your Proxmox, you just double click on data center here, then you come down to where you have local. Local is where your ISO files is always uploaded to. So you click on it, then you see ISO images. So I have MikroTik, SNJ, Ubuntu, Windows 10, Windows Server here. So you can always upload from your local PC. So we're going to come here to create virtual machine. So I'm just going to name this Windows 11, Win 11, then resource pool can stay empty. So just tap on next here. ISO image my Windows 11. Then the type. We're not running Linux, so it's Microsoft Windows. Then next. Then EFI storage. I'll be using this one. So you can use your default. Maybe if you don't have two separate drives on your machine. So I just want to use this one with 2 terabyte, 2.4 terabyte. Then TMP storage. I'm still using the 2 gig, 2 terabyte. So next year again. So I'll give it, this is for the space, I'll give it 100 gig. I'll give it 100 gig. So remember the storage is still picking from my 2 terabyte. Then I'll go next. Then I'll do two cores, two sockets, and 8 here. And next, then I'll do 16 gig because I have 192 gig RAM on this machine. So I'll do 16 gig for this. Then next, I'll set this up later. Next, scroll down and confirm. So start after created. Finish. So it's going to start running after it has been created. So let's just be patient. We'll see it come up here. So it's starting to run. No bootable. Okay, so we are saying no bootable option or device was found. So I was supposed to tap any key to boot from CD or drive. So I'm just going to stop and start it again. So yeah, I'll click on stop. So yes. So I think it's shut down now. So I'm going to start it again, and it's trying to start up. It's trying to start here. So let's see. Okay, so tap any key. So I've tapped on my tab. So tap any key on your keyboard to take you to the boot session. So it's trying to take me there now. You can see it's trying to come up. So this is the page. So we'll just do our normal Windows installation. So we'll do next US, next install Windows. No, I'm not repairing, so I would agree. I'll next here again. So enter product key. I don't have a product key now. So let's see if this runs. Oh, whoa, wow. Okay, so I'm going to be using Pro version. So there are other ones here, but I want to just use the Pro version. So it's trying to load up. So I agree. I don't know anybody that reads those terms and conditions. So I think I've read that terms and conditions once. I had to take my time. I think that was when I just started learning, or when I just went into all of these installation things. That was when I just had to take time and read. So the 100 gig we allocated is what we are going to see just for this installation here. So we'll just do next year for the installation to start. So install. So currently it's installing. So let's see how it goes. So the installation is almost complete and it's just trying to do some updates and the rest like that. Okay, so it's the installation has completed and so I'll just use my country. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'll just have to scroll down all the way to where I have Nigeria. And so yes, Nigeria. Windows 11 really has a long way to go. So what we'll do here is I think it's shift F9, is it F9 or F10 for yeah, so it's up now. So we'll do forward slash wasn't typing OO, has to be small letters. OOBE forward slash bypass NRO dot CMD. I'll hit enter. Operation successful. So the machine is going to restart and that place we saw install driver is going to bypass. So it's still normal thing. It's just going to enable us create a local user account instead of the Microsoft online that you have to be connected to the internet. So machine is back up now. So let's try again. Next. So it has brought up the option for I don't have internet, so we can skip this and yeah, set it up later. Optic sat is okay. So next. I'm not going to put any password for now. And so yes, the installation is over and our Windows 11 is up and running. Graphics RAM, so 100 gig of storage, 15 gig of RAM. Yeah, so and this is the processor. So we are done and thank you for watching. Do well to like, subscribe, and tap the notification icon for all our updates. But please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.